Today I went to do a little meat shopping at the butcher, the Halal Butcher. So I just wanted to show you my fresh chicken and a duck, a fresh duck that I picked out of the cage and had the butcher slaughter. Gone are the days when I go into the supermarket and buy stuff frozen from the freezer. You see people doing Walmart haul and Target haul. I don't need nothing at Walmart and Target. Not an absolute thing. But I need stuff from the Halal Butcher. And here's my haul for today.
She said, you recording?
That is my haul. Really? Your ass is in my video. I'm excited. So, in memory of my father, I went and got myself a fresh duck. Growing up as a child, every Christmas, my father would cook a duck. And we would raise this duck. This duck walk around the yard, eat anything, whatever. And then what daddy would do just before, like 2 weeks before he slaughters the duck, he would lock him in a coop and give him aloe vera water to drink because he says he's purging the duck. All right? So I went to the Halal Butcher today and I chose myself a Christmas duck to cook.
Oh, hell no.
In memory.
Oh, hell no.
Of my daddy.
Cut the video off.
My Christmas duck.
It smells like duck. You gonna jerk him?
Fresh. They. You've never seen a fresh duck?
Nah, I've never seen it like that, to be honest. You have to restart the video, girl.
Fresh duck for Christmas. Quack, quack. What are you doing up in my closet?
I was looking for the milk that used to make coffee. I haven't seen
The milk in there. The chocolate milk.
chocolate.
You drinking coffee and going to bed?
Yeah, no, do some homework.
And why you?
Why is he wearing chocolate pants? I saw who's drawing.
Why are you wearing? Are you wearing Evan's drawers?
These are my drawers. My men drawers.
Fruit
too.
and a Loom.
Oh hell.
Where is it? Daughter was Fruit and a Loom.
Where is it?
Drawers.
Someone touch me. Oh, he was holding that duck. That's what you use for coffee?
Yes.
What is it?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk for coffee?
Yes, it's sweetened.
Oh, it's fine.
Sweetened chocolate milk.
So you're gonna jerk that duck?
He's going to be carried.
Has Conrad ever met you before? I never met that little boy. All I know is that it stinks so bad. Got to put music. What's that YouTube music?
coffee.
Where the coffee? Yeah, why you say like that?
Didn't you take it out already?
I'm losing my mind.
Oh, are you?
See, I want to buy no snacks. What is it?
So in the freezer, the duck. Another day, I'm
Have
gonna
with some tea.
wash it off with lemons and vinegar, cut it up, and season it. Not that.
No, I'm just gonna drink tea. I feel like it's better. Calm me instead of making me all jittery.
All right. So in the freezer, Mr. Quack Quack goes for Christmas.
No, it's one of them cream
And then,
you forgot to apply on
I swear to God, these are my chicken cut up. Each of these, you want to see? And they leave the chicken head in there. Yes. Fresh chicken. Yeah, I went to Halal today.
I said a nerd. Since it is like old info. She done lost it. I was probably like, what is that doing?
Fresh chicken, never frozen. Look at that. Each bag has one whole chicken.
My hospital bill.
Will you get hospital bill from? You got hospital?
I tell you, them thief, well, them rob up the, I will rob the insurance, and I send this. It's a them thief. I was going to, I see them, the medical hospital to them. They pay my woman 1,300 or 2,400.
Let me tell you what happened. Come. Let me tell you what happened on my doctor.
Lie.
See, thank you.
These are the 3 weeks old chicken, and these are the medium hard fowl. This bag feels a little wet, like it's leaking. And these are like 4-pound chickens. 4-pound whole chickens. They slaughtered. I chose my chicken and they slaughter and cut them up for you. Chicken, chicken, chicken. And then goat foot cut up. Goat foot, goat feet. Lots of feet. Goats. And these are for soup. Saturday soup. You know, you gotta get the collagen in there. Keeping the skin nice and tight. Yeah. Yeah. Good foot. More collagen. Soup. Good skin. To keep the collagen tight. Yeah. Keep it tight. Goat skin. All right. So this wonderful haul of half a dozen chicken, 1 fresh duck, goat foot for soup, and goat skin for soup is a whopping $150. Yeah, I spent $150 for 6 chicken, 1 duck, goat foot, and goat skin for soup. That's how it's around in New York City. $150 you see right here, right now. All right. So, just wanted to show you my halal haul. People doing Walmart haul, Target haul. Not me. Not, I can keep that poison food out of my system. I do halal haul. Fresh food, fresh meat. And on that note, goodbye.